Woo. Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the bench. I'm actually pretty cleaned up. I redid a little tobacco station here because this is usually where I smoke. And got the workbench cleared off. I got this bench kind of cleared off. It's a Christmas miracle. Nah, it's not. I just got bored and it's cold outside. Wait, today this is another take. This is another addition to the custom boutique blend series. And today we're going to be doing LJ Peretti Oriental number 40. Almost couldn't read there for a second. It's LJ Peretti Co., so LJ Peretti Company, and they are in Boston, Massachusetts. 2.5 Park Square. I don't know what that means. I got my different camera set up because all my monitors and stuff are messed up, so I got my camera flipped around. I'm doing the front video. That's how I did the last one. Quality looks pretty good. So I figured, what the hell? Let's do it again. It is, it's like 40 degrees and pummeling rain outside. Oh, it's lovely. Ah, yes. Although, kind of mild so far, compared to the way it is a lot of times in the Pittsburgh area. Okay, LJ Peretti, and this is right off of their website. All LJ Peretti's information will be down below in the bucket. So definitely give these guys a look because they have, the blends I've smoked from them have been top-notch. Service is good, shipping's good, and the prices are very reasonable. English number 40, or Oriental number 40. It is an English blend. A blend entirely made up of tobaccos from the Near East. Near East, that's odd. It has richness and a full flavor. And I would say it kind of does. This is a very flavorful blend. Oh, no, what are you smoking out of? I am smoking out of my Danish egg from Tim at Papa Bear's Pipes. I'll throw up a card for that video. You guys can check out me talking about this pipe. And this pipe has become, in the rotation, it skips ahead in the rotation. It is a favorite. So Tim, if you're watching, awesome pipe, man. Love it. So may have gotten another pipe from Tim. Got to get that video out. You guys are going to love that one. On to the blend. On to the book. Okay. LJ Peretti's Oriental number 40. The tin. I was getting a sour smell, along with a little bit of a smoky smell and a good tobacco smell. And I was actually picking up some hints of leather. Oh my gosh, am I getting hoity-toity leather? But I was getting a little bit of that leather smell coming from there. And the cut is a ribbon, just your standard cut. I was smoking it out of my French pot. I was getting a sharp incense and spiciness from the charlight, and you do get a little bit of that incense, and that's that Orientals all playing together, which is kind of cool. I said I was getting a slight retrohale burn, but I think that might have just been the pipe. This blend has an exotic flavor. It has a great aftertaste. And I'm talking about the aftertaste before. When I smoke a tobacco, when I'm done smoking it or in between, when I'm having a drink or something like that, I want to have a good flavor. I don't want to have a nasty, like burnt or, bitey flavor. I imagine this blend will get better the more bowls I have. And it did. Mellows and rounds off as you smoke down, and it definitely does. As you smoke down and all the flavors start melding together, I thought the bowl really rounded off, and it was just a real pleasant smoke toward the bottom. Very good. I said I love the tobacco flavors in this one. They're not hiding anything here with any casings or toppings or anything like that. That's kind of the same. I was smoking out of my bent basket, which is a favorite pipe. A very solid blend that smokes easy and cool. The more I smoke this blend, the more I think about adding and mixing with this blend. I have some sweeter blends. I have some spicier blends, and I wanted to get like some mixing perique and some, just to change things up, add a little bit more spice to it, put a couple pinches of that in there. Listening to Brian Levine's podcast, he has Mr. Esserman on there, and he talks about layering different flavors in the bowl of tobacco. And I've been experimenting with that, and it's kind of cool. And this Oriental blend blends perfectly to it. I was actually layering in a little bit of a little sweetness in the middle, and it was kind of cool. I said I think a little bit of Perique spice would be interesting. Now, they also don't list on Peretti's website what tobaccos are actually in this blend, so there's a little bit of Perique in there. Maybe, I doubt it. I think it's just latakia and Orientals and Turkish. But a little bit of Perique spice in there would be kind of cool. Maybe this will be a good experiment to layer the different tobaccos in there. All around a solid blend. And I said that this blend is a true mate to a good, strong cup of coffee. And it really, really, really is. All in all, I really enjoyed this blend. Let me get my good thumbnail. Oh, that's a cool one right there. How about the last thumbnail in the English 500, I think it was. I was like, I think it was kind of funny. But I do think this is a great base blend in a way to add a little bit of stuff. Like I said, I added a little bit of Boswell's Route 22 in there to try it with a little bit of sweetness, but I think I would like it with a little bit more spiciness to it. So I'm thinking, a good pinch of this, a little bit of Perique in there, a little bit more of this. Just experimenting to see how it goes. But this Oriental blend, I love the flavor of it. I love the taste. I love the aftertaste. And I really, really like Oriental blends. So this one just hits it. Now, I have found that it definitely smokes better out of some pipes than others. Some of the straight pipes I was smoking out of, it was good, but it wasn't as good as a bent pipe. Why? I have no idea, but I know it doesn't. Oh, and from the bench, before I forget, we're going to give it 3.5 matchsticks because it's a good, solid blend. You should definitely give this blend a try. I'm going to probably, let me see. Yeah, be doing a little bit of reordering to have some of that because I think also I like smoking it as it is, like I said, but I think as a mixer to mix up just maybe a little bit of my own personal English style blend or English Oriental forward English style blend, I think this would be a great base for it. So I'm definitely going to be looking at ordering more of them and more of that. And like I said, LJ Peretti's, great shipping, great website. Customer service is good. Whoo, see, that match almost went out. Excuse me. That's what I mean. I've been smoking on this bowl for a little while. I'm a little past halfway. And the flavors have just all melded together. And it's super mellow. Everybody got together and having a good party in there. And I kind of like that. I'm having a glass of white wine tonight with it. And it's really working out well. Well, I'm trying to do these videos where I don't have to do a lot of editing because I have this new editing program and it's kind of complicated and I haven't really figured out exactly how I want to do it. Oh, I didn't show. I always do this. I don't really think that's going to matter because it's just my writing on a sticker. But like I said, all their information will be down below in the bucket. Thanks for watching. If you're here, like, subscribe, share the channel around. I'm trying to shorten the videos up a little bit. I really don't have anything to BS about in this one. But check LJ Peretti out. The custom boutique blend series is not going to come to an end, by the way. I'm just going to keep it going. And if I smoke a custom blend next year, it's going to go into that playlist. So no need to end this series, but that's just a little side note. But I'll have a video coming out pretty soon about maybe what my plans for 2024 are and some interesting stuff. And if I would really appreciate it if you guys would comment and maybe something you want to see. I was thinking about getting flaky, doing a whole series on smoking some flake tobaccos. Watch City seems to have some seriously good looking flake tobaccos. So does Peretti's. So do Cornell and Deal and McBaron's, and everybody has a good flake tobacco. And I'd like to maybe walk down that road in the future. Well, hey, I'm going to enjoy this. I'm going to listen to a podcast. I'm going to enjoy my glass of wine. And remember, 3.5 matchsticks from the bench. Definitely give this blend a go. Go on their website. Check them out. Well, hey, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for having a pipe with me. I'm Noah.